Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Jap-Auto-Agent YouTube channel. This is Paul speaking, and today we've got well, I like it, and I like white cars in general, because you can get away with murder with white cars. People don't understand this, but you ask any motor trader or somebody who's been in the motor trade for many years, they'll always tell you that white is actually an easy colour to live with. It's not difficult, for reasons which I'll explain. But let's first describe the car. So this is a 2023 June registered Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra 1.5i manual, 2 and 4 wheel drive, high and low ratio gearbox, and it's only done 17 kilometers, which is 11 miles from the factory gate. So this vehicle's obviously been in storage, hasn't been sold in Japan. The factory in Japan is running at full production. The Suzuki dealers in Japan are receiving cars and obviously need to get them moved on, so they send them direct to the auctions. Basically they haven't got the storage space to store these vehicles. Land, I mean, in this particular yard, this is the freight forwarders yard in Kobe, where this car is currently located, and they've got some space here, but most of the dealers in Japan don't have storage space, so they have to get the cars moved because it's costing money while they're just parked up, or space for fresh stock coming in from the factory all the time. So in this case, this vehicle comes with LED headlights with headlight washers, front fog lights, powered and heated folding door mirrors. So these are features you don't see. This is this JC Sierra, the Japanese version. So powered heated door mirrors with built-in indicators. I don't think you see those on the UK versions. Going on from there, we've got, as I say, built-in indicators in the door mirrors, privacy glass, 15-inch alloy wheels, front side airbags, ABS, it's got brake assist, cruise control, traction control, lanes protection, hill descent. It's got a leather bound steering wheel, heated front seats, and it has 2 proximity keys and a push button start on the dashboard. In fact, for a vehicle, they're very high spec. In fact, if you just notice in the video, you'll see a black button on the door there. That is the proximity button. As long as you've got the key in your possession, the car will detect it, the key is present, and allow you to open the door with the button. So I provide the opportunity for my customers, to buy and import these cars direct from the Japanese domestic market, direct from the Japanese export companies that I've been working with for the past over 20 years, well over 21 years, over 21 years. I provide these cars at the same price that I have to pay if I was to buy the car myself. Over that, I charge a fixed commission for the service that I provide, and my customers achieve a large saving on the UK retail price. The reason for the large saving is that this process is not a fast process. So for example, any dealer who was to buy this car and ship it around the world, get it into the UK, this is going to take them up to, at the present time that is, up to 3 months. The shipping time is taking up to 2 months because the Suez Canal is currently out of operation. So the ships are having to sail around South Africa, into the Atlantic and up into Western Europe, that way around, and we ship the cars to Southampton port. So all these cars come into Southampton because we have a garage that we use in Southampton who provides the IVA testing which is required before registration at the DVLA. An IVA test is a vehicle inspection carried out by what is the Ministry of Transport. They call themselves the VDSA testing station. So an IVA test will take about 2.5 to 3 hours. As I say, it's a visual inspection. Once it's been through the test, they issue a certificate, and then you can submit the documents to the DVLA at Swansea for registration. So I always say to all my customers, allow for up to 3 months, but that's at the current time. If the situation in the Suez Canal calms down, which is beyond my control, then the process can speed up by about 2.5 weeks. But at the moment, they're coming around South Africa. So this vehicle, as I say, is as brand new, even though it's a 2023 in June. So, as I said, I provide this agency service, and the way that it works is that all agents are appointed. So if I have a customer who wishes to purchase this car, they go to my website, they fill out my agency appointment form. You'll find the link to the form off the main menu on the website. In fact, it says Car Auctions Japan when you see the link. So you fill out the form, name and address and details, because we need your consignee details, a description of the actual vehicle you're looking to purchase, which in this case is this one, and then the budget. So I believe this car is going to be landing into the UK somewhere around 19,600. I think it is 19,600. You will see cars in exactly the same spec on sale in the UK, anything up to £30,000. The 19.6 actually includes my commission, includes my commission, the shipping charges, the duty, the VAT, the customs clearance, the IVA testing, the registration at the DVLA. It's easier for me to tell you what's not included. What is not included in my pricing is UK road tax, because we all have to pay that. The road tax on this vehicle is £220. And the other thing that's not included, because I cannot possibly know where my customer's location actually is, and that is UK inland delivery. I literally have a customer that actually works in the docks in Southampton, so it's going to cost him nothing to pick his car up. But I have also got customers on the Isles of Orkney, between Norway and Scotland, so how much do you think it takes to get a car up there? I also have customers actually at this moment in time with cars in transit going to Northern Ireland. So obviously that's going to cost more than somebody who's located in the south of England. So I can't quote for inland transport, but we will help you to find a service if you want the car delivering as economically as we possibly can. As I say, I work as an appointed agent for a fixed commission, and I've been providing this service for over 21 years now. But in truth, I've been importing cars direct from Japan in total since 1996. So I think that's about 29 years in total now. So as you can understand that what's actually happening here, if anyone uses my service, they are in fact hiring me to work for you. I'm working for my customers in supplying these cars at the trade export price direct from Japan, and my customers make an absolutely genuine saving. In my view, this is a win-win opportunity. In this case, you get a brand new car, you get it well described, and you save a large amount of money on the UK retail price. What is not included is that these vehicles, Suzuki UK are saying they won't provide warranties for them, but you can buy warranty insurance policies off the shelf here in the UK. So if you want a warranty, you can get one. And I say this jokingly. If you want me to put a warranty on the vehicle, and that's okay, but give me another £8,000 and I'll stand behind it. So there we are. If anybody's interested in this vehicle, get in contact with me. My name's Paul. The numbers are on the website. Speak to you soon. Goodbye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry-pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.